The Americans with Disabilities Act was passed in 1990, which followed decades of work from disability justice advocates. The idea of it is it allows for full participation for disabled persons in the United States. In the 30 years since, there have been really great aspects of having a legal mechanism by which to demand access. And we have some serious challenges that we need to solve. And so the more creative voices and thoughts and different lived experiences that are in places where we make decisions and where people hold power, it matters for all of us. People are experts in their own experiences. About 80% of people with disabilities are unemployed. Many of our disabled populations could be employed and actually want to be employed.
It is not hard to build what they deserve. It is not hard to build the applications and the services that, again, I take for granted every day, and providers should be offering those same services. This community has 2 phone numbers.
For example, before I got really sick, and my wife called the hospital for me through the video phone, okay? Hearing people can speak directly to the phone, A and B, the access is perfect, it's beautiful. But we have to call the VP, wait for it to load, wait for the interpreter to connect, then make the call, then wait that they connect to the hospital, and then wait to the response. It's not linear at all. I would have been dead. Just the wait, just to connect. What if I had something that was easier, that had more access, less of a struggle? Many deaf people go through this.
One of the ideas behind universal design is that we all benefit from things that are designed for a specific edge case user group. Having access to employment is necessary for a person to have agency and independence. It's also really important for that person's family, their community, the financial freedom of just having a paycheck. In the United States, health insurance is typically tied to employment. One of the most important determinants of health is your employment. It's important, and it's not that hard to do. Right? The solutions are often already there. It just requires a little bit of effort to say, like, you have so much to contribute here. How can we support you?
When you solve E911, you solve two numbers. You solve two numbers, you can probably get a job better. So you probably solve employment. It's this start at the core, and it's gonna ripple to so many things.
And E911, like you mentioned, is there, but to improve it, it will save more people's lives than you realize, more than you know.